Arrive in this moment. Feel your feet on the ground, eyes closed. Notice the darkness behind your eye. Allow your eyes to zoom out, to look deeper. Notice the light, the particles of the light, different colors, different patterns are coming closer to you. Noticing the vastness that is in front of you. Looking into the cosmos, looking into the sky. Noticing your mind expanding, joining the vastness of the cosmos. All that limits you, all that scares you, all that worries you are melting into the cosmos. Feeling yourself floating in the cosmos, allowing the cosmos to hold you, to move you, to support you. Feeling yourself rolling in the sky, moving. Enjoying the playful lights all around you. In this moment, feeling yourself becoming lighter and feeling all the tension in your body be taken care of by the cosmic force. Allow yourself to relax even more. Can you enjoy yourself as you're floating? Can you enjoy the lights in front of you? Oh. Slowly feeling yourself returning back on the ground, feeling Mother Nature beneath your feet. As your mind continues wandering around in the cosmic vastness. Allowing this vastness to remind you that everything is possible. And as you feel your feet on the ground, trust in yourself. Wrap your arms around yourself. Feel yourself in the space. Feel your body. Feel your heart. Knowing that you're enough. Because you are one of the particles of this beautiful cosmic force.